You can tell them on the video is here's what it says, do the oil change. Here's what it says, do the other maintenance.
So what we got is transmission. We have 5 quarts that need to go in for transmission.
It's 5.6 quarts.
5.6 quarts.
Transmission fluid. And we're gonna replace the filter.
Okay.
John Deere product. And that's gonna go in up underneath there.
And we already did the oil.
Filter plug. I'm not leaving like that unless something changes. Should be
up right there. Alright, take the deck off so we can get to our filter. Alright, and we just reached 600 hours on our John Deere tractor, showing you when you should do all the maintenance on your tractor here.
Get this lever here and I'll pull that out there, and I'll loosen up the belt off the drive. Drop that belt off there and come around the front up here and pull these pins out, and then I can push this out here. Before I have a rubber mallet, I don't have a rubber mallet here, but use this handle. And the same with the other side. Oops. Tight. Let me drop the back anchor. Hangers up here. Let me put this down. The weight's off of that. Wires. Lights. Pull them out. And go around and do the other side. More. There we go. Back down. Slide forward. Take the weight off that front hanger. Drop that off. Now, these are going to hang down a little bit, pull them out of the way. side, do the same. And steering wheel. And that's it, decked out. Pause. Okay, now we got the deck out. We are going to slide our drain pan under there. It's got to have a capacity of about 1.5 gallons. And we'll get to our drain plug here. Use a 3/8 drive ratchet. That's a plastic plug, so be careful not to break it. But it's not real tight anyhow. So we're gonna get there, and this should be low enough on the transmission to drain all the fluid out of the system. And sure enough, all's coming out. Keep that plug out of there. And then there's the filter. Okay. Dirty old filter. Okay. New filter. Found your part number. A new filter and a new little ring. Get a tool to remove that little ring. A little ring off there. And we are going to install a new one. And new filter. Very dirty. Nice new clean. And push the filter back up into there with the spring out. There's detention here. Over that spring. Oops. Make sure that's in all the way. Start this by hand. So again, like it's plastic, don't want to cross thread it. And give it a snug. Good enough. Take some out of this one here to make sure it's complete. All right, now we're going to fill transmission reservoir. Cap under here. Got this one plug. And funnel don't fit, so I devised a alternate plan. Come through here with this piece of 3/8 hose into the reservoir and fill it like that. Using the John Deere high grade, part number TY22035. Okay, get that cover off. I'm gonna loosen up this thumb screw. And pull that out. Nice and dirty. Put this rag into the carburetor so I can blow all this grass and dirt out of here. And then I'm going to clean up that carburetor, or that linkage. Carburetor cleaner. Done. So we just pull that back and fit that back down in here. And put the thumb screw back on. Boot, wrench, pull that off. And back it out. And I'll repeat that for the other side. Okay, the chart says gap at 30 thousandths. The old plug is at 30 thousandths. New one right out of the box. Gap's 30 thousandths. Extinguisher, if something happens to go wrong, is drain pans underneath there for some drippage. Pliers, squeeze the clamp, pull that back. That other one doesn't look like there's ever really on all the way, but more or less. Pull that back. Twist that off there. There we go. gas ring running out. Oops. Clean filter, dirty filter. Got flow direction, put it in the same way. Flows this way. Put that back in there. Put that back on there. And put the clamps back into place. There we go. Checking for leaks. No leaks on the oil filter, the transmission. We're good.